If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you guys, we are going to be trying out the brand new Sacred Protection Collection today. And I mean, you know, I had braids, so we're actually taking this opportunity to see how the Sacred Protection Collection can help us with takedown, wash, all of that good stuff. I used everything in the collection, and I'm going to tell you my opinion and thoughts about these products. So if you want to see what the Sacred Protection Collection does for my hair type, texture, treatment, whatever, then keep on watching. Before we jump into the sacred thing, I saw this video on Instagram and I love how her hair has so much volume because that's how I like my hair. I just wanted to try a different method of putting curls in my natural hair like I like. So I'm trying out her method. She did bantu knot in her hair to get her her curls. So I'm trying it out just to see how it comes out. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. We're gonna do a voiceover, and then we'll come back so we can take this down and see what my hair looks like using sacred using the Sacred Protection Collection. I beg, Sacred Protection Collection is here. Okay, listen, when this collection came to my door, I have to admit, I squealed a little. I also may have cried a little bit, but that was because in the same 2-day span, I got a package from Beyonce's actual firm, I got a package from the Levi team, and I got the Sacred Protection Collection. I was literally shook, okay? So I decided, let me take these braids down and show you what these products are all about, because I have the entire collection of the initial collection and I love using it. So I wanted to see what this one can do for me. I've had these braids in for about 6 weeks, and no, I did not wash my braids a single time I had it in. So I went ahead and took down the braids. I don't like putting liquids in my braids as I'm taking it down. I would rather just do everything after the braids are out. Do you see the buildup on my scalp? I have been using some metronidazole. I can't pronounce it. I've been using the scalp treatment shampoo on my hair every time I wash it. So this time I was very excited to try the Sacred products because they were mainly for scalp health and essentially for protective styles, okay? So first we are going in with the Scalp Refreshing Spray. It is a no rinse spray that cleanses and refreshes your scalp. It breaks down buildup and dead skin and also neutralizes odor. I love having a beautiful tingly product on my scalp that helps me, you know, just cool down the scalp while I'm taking down my braids, because to know Ohemaa is to know that anytime I take down my braids, I come back the second day and detangle. So whatever you're seeing right now is the second day after I took down my hair that we are detangling, okay? So after I sprayed my scalp, I go in with the detangling spray. This spray feels thick. It is a thick GURL, okay? I spray that on my hair, and it's supposed to be a high slip spray that adds softness, slip, and prevents breakage and dissolves away buildup and tangles and just helps you comb through your hair very easily. It is definitely true, okay? This product is very thick to the point where anytime I spray it, I add a little bit of clean water to the product. That way it can actually slip through my hair, and it still did not dilute it to the point where it wasn't working. Now, anytime I spray it into my hair, I like to massage it in to help break down the buildup around the base of the braids. You know, when you take out the braid, the little white ringlet that you see around the base, I was massaging this product in so that it can help it dissolve and just break down to make it very easy for me to detangle my hair. And I actually detangled my hair so quickly and with so little pain that I was actually shook. I literally was thinking I need to put some water in this product so I can make it last as long as possible. But what I have been doing is that I spray the product, spray some water on it so that it is also just easy for me to move, okay? So I just went in through my hair and just repeated the process. Scalp spray, detangler, water, comb through, scalp spray, detangler, a little bit of massaging, and I comb through. I'm also actually using the Tangle Teaser Fine Hair Detangler. I don't get the coarse hair one because it's too hard. The fine hair one actually works really, really well. Now, one of these products you don't have to wash out, which is the Scalp Refreshing Spray, but because of what it feels like, I wanted to cover my hair for a little bit, which I ended up covering my hair for about an hour hour because I was doing something, feeding the kids, and I was actually also editing. I realized that the longer it stayed on, the more tingly my scalp got. And of course, I told you I'm tender-headed, so my scalp is literally feeling everything. My scalp is sensitive. It can feel the tingliness, all of that. And I was loving it because I know that something is on my scalp. I know that something is working. Now, before I washed my hair, I went in with a scalp scrubber or a wash helper, whatever you want to call this, and I use it to scratch and wash or essentially clean each section of my hair. That way I can detangle and get all the buildup and everything out as much as possible. Next, I rinse that out and I'm going in with the detoxifying shampoo. The detoxifying shampoo removes buildup. It's gentle on the hair and the scalp. It's non-stripping. It removes oils and dirt and buildup all in one wash. Okay. Now I was wondering why blue pigment in there if I don't have blonde hair. A little bit of research, I found out that the blue pigment or the blue purple pigment is supposed to enhance your color and prevent brassiness in your hair. So for someone like me, I have dark hair naturally, but the tips of my hair do tend to go a little bit brown. This is gonna help it not get brassy on me. Okay. Now for the first time in a long time, after I finished washing, scrubbing my hair, I realized that my scalp and my hair was very, very clean. My scalp did not feel very stripped, no, but my hair and my scalp was clean. Usually I have to go in and shampoo twice before I would notice that my scalp is clean enough for me. After I shampooed, I went in and did the oil ritual. The oil ritual is actually a product you can use at room temperature or you can do a hot oil treatment with it. So guess which option I went with? Just guess that before we get there. The oil ritual has 21 oils. It restores softness, strengthens your hair, and adds shine. And it has a bit of peppermint oil in there for that tingly, clean scalp feeling. So, and it has peppermint oil in there to help stimulate and promote growth and also just help with your scalp and turnover and heal and everything. Okay. I made sure that I had enough on my hair, but I also made sure that my hair was damp and not dry when I was doing this. This way, the oil will help seal in some of the moisture that I have in my hair. I made sure my hair was damp and then I put the oil on it. And because it says you can use it when it's hot, I decided to sit under my hot tools for a little bit. Next, I'm going in with the Cecred hydrating shampoo because I know that you are supposed to follow clarifying or detoxifying shampoo with a hydrating shampoo to bring some moisture back into your hair. Next, I went in with the Cecred deep conditioner along with a few other conditioners and I made sure to spray my hair very well, twisted everything around so that it can penetrate the hair, and I did a bit of a deep conditioner by sitting in the heat. Now for this part of the hair, I wanted to have very little products on my hair. So what I did was I went in with the L'Oreal leave-in spray. I went in with this one and the leave-in conditioner from Olaplex. And you can see I haven't blow dried my own hair in so long that I was just doing this in a messy way, but it absolutely worked out. This is the Revlon round brush blow dryer that I'm using. It can get very close to the roots, but it does not tangle and it doesn't mess up my hair. So I really, really absolutely love it. I will tell you that my hair is looking very shiny now. My hair straight out of the gate does not come out looking this shiny, but this time it looks so shiny and I absolutely loved it. Now this is the style I showed you at the beginning of the video. I saw her do her curls and I thought, oh my God, this looks very cute. I want to see what it looks like on my hair. I did the bantu knots and I used these scrunchies around it, put some growth serum on my scalp, and then I put the bonnet on and that was me for the night, okay? The one thing that I really regret doing was how tight I made these bantu knots, okay? But let me show you what my hair looked like in the end. Okay, you guys, the time is now. Let's go ahead and take these off. I'm very interested in how they look because her hair is a lot silkier than my natural hair. My natural hair has more texture than hers. So I'm wondering if my curls will look anything like hers. I'm also trying to figure out how to sleep with this hairstyle because the tension in the middle of my head was immense. Okay, it was a lot. I'm also trying to figure out how I can maintain this without having to bantu knot my hair every night. That way I can maintain my curls over long periods of times without needing to do the bantu knots all the time. Look at my hair. If I'm not reckless with it, you know, it'll be good. A little update on hair strands. When I washed my hair yesterday and I detangled and everything, I didn't get a lot. I didn't get a lot of long strand sheds. I did, however, oh my god, the tension is killing. I think I made it too tight. Like right here is so tender. I might not even do the bantu knots again for like another few days. I don't know. Okay, honey, this is what it's looking like. I'm a bit nervous, okay? Let's go ahead and start separating the curls. I don't know how I feel about these curls. This is not the same kind of curls that she had. I did follow the way that she had twisted her bantu knots. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, my scalp is hurting. That bantu knot was tight. I realized that what I should have done was not make the scalp as tight as she made hers or as tight as hers looked, because the middle part of my head is so tender right now. I'm definitely gonna have to do loose curls for the rest of the time, but my mother-in-law has an afro comb, so I went to pick it up and I'm gonna use that to try to fluff up my this is what I got from it. Is it time to experiment? Okay, that's how my hair came out. I don't think it looks anything like hers, like at all. Not even close to what hers looked like. I got ringlets and yeah, I tried, okay? I tried. Just trying something new just to see. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out how to get curls without worrying too much, but there you go. This is the best I could do. This is the best I could do with it. I needed to comb the back of it so that it can fill out because my strands were very defined, but my hair is looking very shiny. This side, I didn't comb it out as much as I did this side. I'm trying to see what the best way to work this hair is, you know? We tried, honey. We tried, okay? We tried. Okay, honey, we'll take it. Okay, we'll take it. Sleeping in bantu knots was not very comfortable. My neck hurt. Yeah, combing it out makes it nice and big and fluffy. Not combing it out gives it a more ringlet definition. I also need to figure out this curl pattern. But besides that, let me know down below in the comments what you think. Have you tried the Cecred Protection Collection? What do you think about it? I am going to be using that scalp treatment a lot. A detangling conditioner, chef's kiss. Works so well. Now we just need a leave-in detangling conditioner, okay? Okay, and you know, we'll be golden. We'll be fine. My hair looks very nice. I like it. The curl pattern I couldn't figure out, but you know, I'll figure it out later. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about the hair. Did I achieve? If you're gonna do the bantu knot, don't make the bottom of it so tight because my scalp is like really tender right now from how tightly I squeezed that. From how tightly I squeezed that bantu knot, my scalp is hurting. But besides that, let me know down below in the comments what you think. I will put all the links to everything I used and the videos I'm talking about down below in the description box, so definitely check it out. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.